Ever wondered about those tiny, unassuming electrical components called relays? You know, those things that look like small boxes with wires sticking out of them. You might have seen them in your car, your home, or even your office equipment, but chances are, you've never really given them a second thought. Well, it's time to change that. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of relays to uncover who exactly relies on them. Let's start with the obvious: engineers. Electrical engineers, to be precise. These are the brains behind the operation. They understand the intricacies of circuits and the role relays play in controlling electrical power. From designing complex industrial systems to developing the electronics in your smartphone, engineers are the architects who incorporate relays into their creations. But engineers aren't the only ones who benefit from relays. Let's talk about the automotive industry. Every car you see on the road is a complex network of electrical systems, and relays are the unsung heroes behind many of them. They control everything from your headlights and windshield wipers to your power windows and anti-lock brakes. Imagine driving without relays; it would be a nightmare. And let's not forget about the world of home automation. Smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, and relays are a crucial component in making them work. They control your lights, thermostats, security systems, and even your appliances. With a simple tap on your smartphone, you can command your home to do your bidding, all thanks to the humble relay. Moving on, let's explore the industrial sector. Relays are the backbone of countless industrial processes. They control motors, pumps, valves, and other heavy-duty equipment. From manufacturing plants to power stations, relays ensure that operations run smoothly and efficiently. Without them, entire industries would grind to a halt. Telecommunications is another area where relays play a vital role. While modern communication systems rely heavily on digital technology, relays still have a place in ensuring reliable connections. They can be found in everything from telephone exchanges to satellite communication systems. Now, let's talk about a less obvious user of relays: the medical field. You might be surprised to learn that relays are used in various medical devices. From pacemakers to MRI machines, these tiny components help to save lives. They control electrical currents, regulate equipment, and ensure the safe operation of complex medical technology. Of course, we can't forget about hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Relays are a popular component in countless electronic projects. Whether you're building a robot, a home alarm system, or simply experimenting with circuits, chances are you'll encounter relays along the way. They offer a versatile and reliable way to control electrical components. So, there you have it. Relays, those often overlooked electrical components, are used by a wide range of people in various industries. From engineers and automotive manufacturers to home automation enthusiasts and medical professionals, relays play a crucial role in our modern world. Without them, our lives would be significantly different. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.